Hello, guys. Welcome to one more episode of special MCQs, which are completely free. 5 MCQs a day we are doing as per this Valentine's Week special. So we just thought of this idea, and it's working good. Students are giving good feedback, both in YouTube and WhatsApp. But I would recommend WhatsApp commenting students to please put that in the YouTube section, so that others also know that many students are learning from this platform free of cost. Okay. So here today we'll do environment. We have done art and culture. We have done economics. We have done history, geography, maps. Okay, economics. So environment is also one important topic. So we'll pick up some questions which are not very usual. Okay, because you should know like what all range of questions used to come in the last 10-15 years. That is why I'm picking random questions rather than picking just the news items or just a simple national park or something. Okay, and this is part of pack 5 again. So that is a very bestseller kind of pack now after I launched this mini pack, because 14 tests are there in just this small price. Okay, but you should know that current affairs should be linked with it, else static alone will not help you clear the prelims. Coming to your score, and today's first question, which is again, as I told, little unusual. Which of the following is not an example of monocarpic plant? So rice, bamboo, orange, radish. So these kind of questions, unless you know the term or you can take a wild guess or take the odd one out, you cannot solve it. Okay, but it's mentioned in your textbook and in Shankaray's books and all, so you are expected to know this. So it is orange. That is the fruit you had to pick from that. If you see, monocarpic plants are those that flower, set seeds, and then die. It can flower only once in their life. These plants are generally annual or biennial. Very few monocarpic fruits are perennial. Monocarpic plants die after flowering and fruiting. Example: rice, wheat, radish, carrot, bamboo, etc. Polycarpic plants flower every year in a particular season. These are perennial and they do not die after flowering and fruiting. So, apple, mango, grapes, orange. So, this is the basic thing. So, as I told, there are many terms like this which I have covered in my environment test number 1. Okay, there are 4 tests. In the first test, it's all this kind of static things. Okay, this terminologies which we are expecting UPSC can ask, which now they are not asking since last 2-3 years, but before that they used to ask a lot of these kind of things. So that is covered in test number 1. In test number 2, it will be all the protected areas, wildlife sanctuaries, and all those things. In test number 3, it will be a little bit current affair oriented. Test number 4 will be combination of all those things. So everything possible for UPSC to pick up, I will be covering in the test series. The Central Pollution Control Board was set up under which act? This is actually 2018 question, I think 18 or 17, in which it was asked, okay, like is it a statutory body, and if yes, which act? So is it the Water Prevention Act 1974, Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981, Environmental Protection Act 1986, or none of these? So these kind of questions are expected because expected you to know because it's already asked. So it's a 2018 question. It's a statutory body constituted in 1974 under the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974, and it's entrusted with the powers and functions of this Air Act also. And more details are there. It has some provisions of the Environment Act also. So, but even though it is following the provisions of many act, it is set up by the Water Prevention Act. Okay, so little details are here, but you should learn more, which will be there in multiple tests which I make in full test in current affairs and all, because this body keeps coming in news. Which of the following are benefits of mulching? Reduces weed growth, increases fertility of the soil, conserves soil moisture. This is a typical UPSC question, and benefits of different things should be asked. Okay, of certain kind of forestation, certain kind of weeding, certain kind of insecticide, pesticides. They keep on asking every year. One question is expected of one term. Okay, so study what is there in my test series and study also what is there in the previous year questions, because if that repeat and then you don't do in the exam hall, you will feel bad. Okay, if it's a totally new thing, it's okay. Okay, like I think fertigation came last year 2020, so fertilizer plus irrigation concept, which even we did not teach. So like that every year one concept will be there and they'll ask the benefits. So please see to it that you prepare. 1 only, 2 and 3 only, 1, 2, 3, none of the above. So here it is 1, 2, 3 with picture I have given. This is there in your I think NCRT and Shankarayas also. So it's 1, 2, 3. It reduces weed growth, it increases fertility of the soil, it conserves soil moisture. All 3 are true. So this is a visual thing. Please pause it and study it. Okay, if you are not buying the test series, else you will get this PDF. Ecotype in environment refers to what? Role and position a species has in its environment. A genetically distinct geographic variety adapted to specific environmental conditions. Transition areas between two biomes. gradation from one ecosystem to another. All these four terms are environment terms, and given in your Shankaraya chapter number 1 itself, which I think I already covered in my lecture also, which is already available in YouTube for free. And that series also we have stopped because you have not given enough response. So please go and comment there so that textbook also is covered free of cost for you. So here B is ecotype, A is ecological niche, C is ecotone, and D is ecocline. So to give you this information only, this question is framed like this. Okay. So 4 definitions you learn in one single MCQ. So imagine for 100 MCQs when you study, at least 250 to 350 topics you will be studying just by studying 100 MCQ. And like that, 4 environment test is there. So 400 questions will give you at least 1000 topics to study. And more than that, you are not expected to study for UPSC. Okay. So please take it seriously and revise again and again. Only one species will benefit. This phrase does not suit which among the following. Okay, so you know there are many, like when organisms interact with each other, there are many things like predation is there, amniotism is there, communalism is there, parasitism is there. Okay, mutualism is there. There are many, at least 6 to 8 things are there which you should study, and this is repeated again and again by UPSC. So, in which one of the following this one species will benefit will not suit, meaning for 3 of them it will suit. So, which is the one which it does not suit? These are the things which 2 marks are to be guaranteed for a person who need not be a genius, who just do the basics. He should get that 2 marks. Okay, this is not difficult question. Only this table you have to by heart. If you see the interaction type of species A and species B, like both are benefiting, it will be mutualism. And communalism means one is benefiting and one is not even having any reaction, any effect. Proto cooperation is like again like mutualism. Amniotism, if you see, one has no effect and one is losing. Okay, so there is no one who is benefiting. So that is why here the answer is amniotism, because it does not suit this phrase. One species will benefit. Here nobody is benefiting. One is losing and one has no impact. But parasitism, predation, and all, if you see, one is gaining, another is losing. Cannibalism, one is gaining, one is losing. Competitions, both are losing. Okay, because both will be competing for the same resources, same food and all. So examples also you have to study. That in my, I think, detailed revision chart and test series is there, and also lecture is done. So a lot of examples are already given. Okay. So that is the 5 questions for today. I hope it is helping you, because you have to give comments. Okay, because 800 to 900 people are watching this, at least 200 300 likes are there, but when it comes to comments, it will be just 20 comments or 15 comments. So you have to comment it. Okay, you have to be vocal about what is helping you. Only then we will also feel like helping you back. So WhatsApp me for any of this package, because as and more when the time goes, because after February gets over, even we will not encourage you much to buy test series. Okay, because we know that you will not study, you will not be able to study, you will be in so much pressure. But now is the correct time where you have 100 plus days and you have to do this. So please take it seriously and WhatsApp me. And 3 free tests also I can give you if you come and email me this code. Okay, 3 free to vaishupis@gmail.com. So thank you and have a nice day.